What if I told you there's a framework that's quietly revolutionizing how we build applications with artificial intelligence? A tool that's letting developers like you and me create smarter, more powerful AI systems faster than ever before. If you're in the AI space or even just curious about where large language models like GPT-4, Gemini, and Claude are heading, you've probably heard the buzz. But what exactly is LangChain, and why is it becoming the go-to toolkit for developers in 2025? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand LangChain, but you'll see its immense potential to transform your AI projects. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into LangChain. In a nutshell, LangChain is an open-source framework designed to simplify the development of applications powered by large language models. Think of it as the ultimate connector, linking LLMs to other sources of data, other computations, and even other AI models to create truly intelligent and context-aware applications. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but LLMs are already powerful. Why do I need another framework? And that's a great question. The truth is, while LLMs are incredible at generating text, answering questions, and even writing code, they have limitations. They don't inherently know about your specific data, recent events past their training cutoff, or how to interact with other tools and services on their own. This is where LangChain steps in and becomes a game changer. Why is LangChain a game changer in 2025? Data-aware applications. LangChain allows your LLMs to connect to your own data sources. Imagine a customer service bot that not only understands natural language, but also has access to your company's product database and customer history to provide truly personalized support. Agentic behavior. This is where it gets really exciting. LangChain enables you to build agents, AIs, that can use tools. For example, an agent could use a search engine to find up-to-date information, a calculator for math problems, or even execute code. It's about giving LLMs the ability to act. Chaining prompts and models. Complex tasks often require multiple steps. LangChain lets you chain together sequences of calls to LLMs or other utilities. You can pass the output of one LLM call as the input to another, creating sophisticated workflows. Modularity and flexibility. LangChain is highly modular. You can easily swap out different LLMs, vector stores, or other components without rewriting your entire application. This is crucial in the fast-evolving AI landscape of 2025. Memory. For applications like chatbots, remembering previous parts of the conversation is essential. LangChain provides robust memory components to give your LLMs context and conversational history. So, how does LangChain actually achieve all this? Let's break down some of its core components. Don't worry, we'll keep it high level. Core components of LangChain. Models. These are the LLMs themselves, like GPT 3.5, GPT-4, Claude, etc. LangChain provides a standard interface to interact with many different models. Prompts. We all know prompt engineering is key. LangChain offers prompt templates, which are predefined recipes for generating prompts. This helps in structuring your input to the LLM effectively. Chains. As the name suggests, chains are sequences of calls, either to an LLM or to a different utility. They are the fundamental building block for more complex applications. Think of them as assembling different AI tools on a workflow. Indexes and retrievers. These help structure your documents and data so LLMs can efficiently query them. This is crucial for Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, allowing LLMs to answer questions based on specific documents. Agents and tools. Agents use an LLM to decide which actions to take. These actions can be using a tool, like a Google search, a Python interpreter, or an API. The LLM acts as the brain of the agent. Memory. This allows chains and agents to remember previous interactions, crucial for conversational AI. Okay, theory is great, but let's talk about what you can actually build with LangChain in 2025. The possibilities are vast. Real-world examples and use cases, advanced chatbots, not just simple Q&A bots, but chatbots that can access your private documents, query databases, and have extended conversations. Imagine a research assistant that can sift through your company's knowledge base to answer complex queries, question answering over documents. Upload your PDFs, text files, or even connect to Notion, and build a system that can answer questions based only on that information. Super useful for legal, research, and customer support. We actually built a mini vision of this for our internal docs. Summarization tools summarize long articles, transcripts, or even multiple documents into concise overviews. Data augmentation and synthetic data generation. LLMs can generate realistic-looking data, and LangChain can help orchestrate this to augment your training data sets for other machine learning models. Personalized content creation. Agents that can research a topic online and then generate an article, blog post, or marketing copy tailored to a specific style or audience. Code generation and understanding. Agents that can help debug code, explain code snippets, or even generate boilerplate code based on your requirements. Multi-agent systems. With frameworks like LangGraph, part of the LangChain ecosystem, you can now build systems where multiple AI agents collaborate to solve complex problems. Think of an AI team working on a project. The power here is the ability to combine the reasoning capabilities of LLMs with specific data and tools, leading to applications that are much more grounded, factual, and useful. Getting started with LangChain briefly, feeling inspired? Getting started with LangChain is surprisingly accessible, especially if you have some Python or JavaScript experience. Installation, it's a simple pip install. Pip install LangChain. You'll also need an LLM provider API key like from OpenAI. Documentation. LangChain has extensive documentation on their website with lots of examples and tutorials. It's your best friend. Start simple. Begin with a basic chain like taking user input, formatting it with a prompt template and sending it to an LLM. Then gradually explore more complex components like agents and document loaders. Community. There's a growing community around LangChain. Join forums, Discord servers, and check out projects on GitHub. Before, we're just scratching the surface here. LangChain is evolving rapidly with new integrations and features being added all the time. The development of tools like Langsmith for debugging and LangGraph for building robust agentic applications shows the commitment to making this a production-ready framework. The future of LangChain and LLM applications. Looking ahead, LangChain is poised to be a cornerstone in the development of next-generation AI applications. As LLMs become even more capable, the need for robust frameworks to orchestrate them, ground them in factual data, and allow them to interact with the world will only grow. We're moving from AI that just talks to AI that does. We can expect to see more sophisticated multi-agent systems, more seamless integrations with all sorts of data sources and enterprise tools, and even easier ways for non-experts to build powerful AI solutions using LangChain. The trend is towards more autonomous, capable, and reliable AI, and LangChain is a key enabler of this. So if you're serious about building with AI in 2025, learning LangChain isn't just a good idea, it's becoming essential. It empowers you to go beyond simple LLM API calls and build truly intelligent, context-aware, and actionable AI systems. What are your thoughts on LangChain? Are you already using it? What cool applications have you seen or built? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, on AI and emerging tech, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Want to see a tutorial on building a specific LangChain application? Suggest it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.